How to fix Telegram app not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram app not working on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here we'll find Telegram. Click on it, and here all you need to do just click force stop, and then click storage, and then click clear cache. And after that just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then just click permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and after that click draw over other apps and make sure it's disabled, and that's it. Now just go back, go to Play Store and check if there's any update, and then just update your Telegram. Now restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.